In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a collection to a page on Wix. Firstly, you might be wondering, what is a collection? Well, essentially, it's a set of data that you want to store and display on your website. And, thankfully, Wix makes it easy for us to do that. To begin with, you should set up your collection in the Content Manager. You can find the Content Manager on the left sidebar of the Wix editor. Once you've clicked on it, choose the option New Collection. After that, you're met with two choices, whether to use a preset or to create your own collection from scratch. Both have their own benefits and are equally viable. Now it's time to define your collections fields. You can add anything from text, images, to dates. Setting permissions also fall under this step. Once you've completed that, you can then proceed to click on the button that reads Create Collection. Now, if you're using Wix Stores, you will follow a slightly different path. In your site's dashboard, go to the Catalog, then Store Products. You will then find an option to click on the New Collection, where you'll be asked to provide a name for your collection. Here, you also get to add a description, an image that represents the collection, and the products that make up the collection itself. Once you're satisfied, click Save, and boom, you've created a new collection in Wix Stores. If Wix Portfolio is the platform of your choice, the process is pretty straightforward too. On your site's dashboard, go to Portfolio, click on Manage Collections, and then select New Collection. Here, you will assign a name, add a description and projects for your new collection. Once done, click Save. Now that your collection is set, the next step is to add this collection to your page. Navigate to the page in the Wix editor where you want this collection to be displayed. Once the page is opened, navigate to the Content Manager on the left panel and choose Add to Page. You will then be presented with a list of collections. Select your desired one. The last step is to connect your collection to the page elements. Select an element on your page. This could be a repeater, gallery, or table. Go to the Properties panel for your chosen element and connect it to the dataset you just added to the page. You can also customize how the elements display your collection's content to your liking. And voila, you have successfully added a collection to a page on Wix.